Hey, what's up, my people? How are you today? My dear friends, my dear listeners, my dear subscribers all around the world. I remain my humble self at Mike from the DGeniusfx. I'm here again this morning to show you another powerful mobile strategy. Just yesterday, we took a signal using this strategy and it was a banger. And also just this morning, as we can see, we took this entry and it's already 180 pips in our direction. Okay, this strategy is going to help you a lot. I call this strategy MAC entry strategy. It is not for scalping, but it is good for 30 minutes, 1 hour time frame. It is for swinging and then for positioning trading. Okay, now let me show you how it works. Firstly, let me show you on daily time frame. Here is on daily time frame. Firstly, I want to show you the indicators we use. We use Alligator, fractals, and then also we use Bollinger Band. But this Bollinger Band is not, it doesn't have much effect using this strategy. Okay, so the major strategy here is MACD envelope and then Alligator. As you can see on our chart, let me show you. Here is our envelope, the one in red line, and then here we have 3 major lines here which we use, and then this 3 major line is Alligator indicator. Everybody knows Alligator come with 3 moving averages. Okay, and as you can see on our major chart, we have mainly Alligator, and then so we have fractals. These indicators has a lot of things to do, a lot of impact to do on this strategy. Firstly, let me show you how we use this strategy to buy and sell. Here is the daily time frame. This is the major reason why I call it positioning trading strategy. Okay, now look at this cross here. Okay, you can realize that our envelope cross Alligator from downward towards uptrend, and here we realize there is a breakout of an uptrend fractal around here. That is where you are going to take your position for buying, and then you continue to ride the trade as long as this envelope is long in, is keep moving and not touching this MACD and then not touching the Alligator. You continue to hold your position. That is that on daily time frame. I'm going to show you on 4-hour time frame. Here is the movement that occur since on Monday on 4-hour time frame. Look at the cross here. Okay, here you can realize that your Alligator, your envelope, is crossing towards upward from downward, crossing the Alligator, and also on our chart there is a breakout of fractal around that side, and then here is where we took our buy position and market continue to go in our direction. Okay, now let me show you on 1 hour. I use this strategy majorly on 1 hour time frame, and as you can see today, here is our entry today when we realize that there is pullback, and then it touched our 50% Fibonacci retracement. Then we shoot our short right from here, and the market continues to go to our target. As you can see, here is our result. Okay, as we enter the market today. Okay, now here is the entry from 1 hour time frame. Look at the cross here. Okay, when you realize that your envelope has already crossed your Alligator around downside towards upside, then you look for recent fractal that is above the major chart, the Alligator the Alligator indicator on the major chart. That is where you are going to enter your position. Here is the fractal that is above the Alligator at the major chart. Then here is our entry. The market continues to go towards uptrend in our direction. When we realize there is pullback, okay, we shoot our short immediately after the Fibonacci retracement touch our 50% level around that side. Okay, now let me show you another entry from towards uptrend. Okay, here is the signal to sell. Okay, look at the cross here. You will realize that our envelope has already crossed the alligator at the indicator window 1. Okay, around that side we are looking for the fractal, recent fractal that breaks towards the downtrend of the alligator. Now here is the fractal that breaks. Okay, now we enter the market right from here. Our market continues to go in our direction. As long as that alligator at the major chart is not touching each other, you continue to hold your trade. Now look at this area now. There is a crossover here. Okay, alligator envelope cross the alligator, and then here we took our entry right from where we realized that there is a major fractal got broken. Then we enter the market right from here. Okay guys, and then I told you that this strategy works also on 30-minute time frame. It works also on 30-minute time frame, as you can see, but I use this strategy majorly on 1 hour time frame, and then it will work for you if you do it the way it is. Here is MaC entry strategy. It is the latest strategy and it's working perfectly for us. I remain myself Adetokunbo Mike from DGeniusfx. Keep liking, keep subscribing to my videos, and then keep sharing to one another, to your loved ones. I love you really good. Bye.